that, but we'll see.
She might disconnect.
Why?
Never mind, I thought she was gonna... How the fuck? Okay, whatever.
But it's scary. I agree. I'm gonna heal you in a second. Oh.
All good, all good.
Maybe
Take your time. If you need to let me take a hook, let me take a hook.
You might be able to slip her. I'm going back on that gen.
She's good.
She's a good killer.
Yeah, she's good.
You're better.
Damn. Jesus fucking Christ. Took me half a fucking century to blind her ass.
I was watching.
I think I go down here. Yeah.
Oh shit, I wasn't paying attention. I was too busy watching you.
It's alright. It's alright.
She trapped you. Oops.
Lumi, how do you feel about their newer stuff?
Where is her bitch ass?
I'm not entirely sure, honestly. Not a fan. I'm a massive fucking fan of it. I like Clancy. I love Hot Take. I love Skilled and Icy. It's a fucking amazing album. Blurry Face. We all know Blurry Face.
My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think.
She picks. Nope. I'm at the side of her face. It's open.
Aww.
Trench is good, in my opinion. It has a lot of lore implications, like a lot of lore implications, because that's when they started doing
I can't run the killer. I'm bad. I'm bad at the game.
I can. The issue. No, I can't really do much there. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, I can't do anything over here. It's okay. You know it's not really rooting for me anyway. Wanna back up at the top, I wanna hear you say from nothing down. Stop listening when they release Trench. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing music so we can actually hear the game.
Does she hit this rush? Surely not. Nope.
Ooh, she left my boot up. Oh, she's going.
No, I don't make it there.
Shave me, Frank Bean. Let me heal you.
It definitely is. It's been like 10 years.
I love Circle of
Between
Healing.
Circle of Healing is really good.
Oh, hell no. Where's the other guy doing the gen?
Corner of the map, kind of behind Shack, I think. Yeah, behind Shack.
Okay, I'm gonna come get you.
Thank you.
Did she run?
Yeah, she kind of ran like actually the way you're coming from, but she's not over there.
I'm gonna put this boon up really quick so I can heal you really fast.
Okay, no worries, no worries, no worries.
Oh no.
Have you ever thought of doing using what's the word? Yeah, we'll make it. No, I like it.
Circle of Healing. I like Circle of Healing.
I run a full loop build usually. Finesse, Bond, Live, and Resilience. She's already no, she's on you.
She walked right past me. I'm gonna have to go get him because you guys are taking...
You're good.
Oh god. I'm at Pig Tree and I'm being chased. Oh no! I didn't mean to do that. Oh no. Oh, now I got the shit on my head too.
How do you feel about the anti-tunnel changes that are possibly coming in a future update?
I think it only affects shitty killers.
I think that the anti-tunnel changes are a little bit too much. Like, within 6 hooks is way too punishing.
I feel
The
like you shouldn't
anti-slug-
be allowed to hang the same survivor 2 times back to back. That would get rid of tunneling.
I agree with that.
I think that's not unfair. Yeah.
No, I agree with that 100%.
Oh gosh, am I blind? Why can't I see the places for her, the head traps? Does she have
You
something
should
on?
be... I can see them.
I cannot. Oh god, and she's got the thing that slows it too.
Mm-hmm. I got mine off. Oh, cause yours isn't started yet.
Oh.
So you can't. I don't think you can see the auras of them.
Hello.
Hello. Oh. Yes,
Baby
let me
girl.
give you back.
You hate what, Lumi? Me running around with the trap on my head? Cause me too. We should probably get on a gen. If I'm scared.
Yeah. Well, I want
I
you to
see
get
another
that
picture.
your party hat off.
I wanna scream and shout and let it all out. If I don't get the trap off my head,